Hello florists and flower lovers, welcome to the last part of French Master Florist Frédéric Dupré's floral design livestream edit. In this part, he shows you how to create a form linear design. We hope you enjoy.
The last design is very totality different. It's not romantical, not very gardening. It is very linear, but always I work a lot of texture. Yes, Angelica.
The question was, what grows in your garden?
A lot. If you want to see, you can inscription in Instagram, and the name it is Au Jardin de Frédéric. Yes, and you can see my garden and the plants and the different variety and the curiosity also. And for this design, it is the example. It's a good question because it is example. Because for this design, I have a lot of material in my garden. For this design, I use the principal material. It is a paper. I fix the paper in with a plank. The effect with the paper, like the mushroom, because I love the effect of the mushroom. If you have see my work for my World Cup, I fabric the big mushroom, and I use this paper. I don't know in English this strates de papier, a layer paper. Oh, my English is so good. Layer paper. I work the layer paper for this effect. I don't know if you see. Okay, it's okay. After I work the roots, the white roots, it is the mangrove, and I use this one for elevate my construction for have a light design. Also, I use a lot of golden rule with the proportion 8, 5, 3. Okay, 8, 5, 3 everywhere with everything. And after I continue, I use a lot of golden rule. It's very important for a good harmonious. So I start. I use for this design the glass tube and the Oasis biodegradable. So yes, I use a lot of material very natural from my garden because the line it's very interesting because it's not a strict. It is always very particular.
Question from Anila. How are the test tubes fixed?
I fix with a wire, always the same, from Germany, for the name Wireman. I fix very simple. I use always 3 wire. I put my glass tube or plastic tube, yes, with a scotch, very simple. Just after I use floral tape, okay, and I finish with the bean wire. I use this one because it is the same color and it's a good combination and the same, for me, texture. After with the wire, you can move your glass tube or plastic tube everywhere, and you can have a line very interesting, like this. Okay.
Question about the candles. Are they real or are they made from what?
It is not a candle. It is the roots. I explained just before. It is the roots. The name is the mangrove, but yes, it's the effect. It is a candle, but it is the roots. Huh? Look, and it is very light material, but very strong.
Question from Farida. Love those lovely branches. What is it?
Yes, from my garden it is a kalanchoe, the other varieties from the kalanchoe. Yes, again very nice material, and the color it is a good combination with the paper, with the bean wire, with the artichaut. Yeah, the same in French. Artichaut. This one is the ripsalis also. from my garden. And for have this color, it is a solution. If we have a ripsalis, you cut a little bit here in the plant, and after the plant dry, okay, because she don't take the water, and you have this color and this texture. It is a little dry and little fresh, and the plant suffer, yes, suffer, and after we have this result.
Question from Farida. Is it bleached, the wood?
What is it, bleach? Farida, please. The simple vocabulary. Oh, yeah, yes, it's not natural. Huh? Painted, yes. And we have other solution for this material. I use for my World Cup this material, and I sculpt with a knife. And the texture, it's really, really, really interesting, because when we are finished, you can take a little paint and just applicate very, very quickly, and the shape everywhere. After it's the painting, yes, we look a lot of the texture after. The effect is very incredible. Not a lot question, so don't worry.
Well, this one is pretty funny. It's from Jacqueline Bourma. Frédéric, you have so many beautiful materials in your garden. Is your garden open to public?
No. Yes, but no florist, because florist cut. Again, my garden, beautiful material and color, but the carnation also, it's so nice, from Media Verde. I use here the flower from the funnel for the balance with the roots, okay, and with the artichoke, and I have the same line, very active, with the funnel. The harmonious in composition or in design, everything in the right place, nobody dominates for the good harmonious.
Farida says, love the fennel line, the color and texture.
And we can look now the golden rule. Huh? Okay, with the line also. And the balance, and the mix, the line, the connection here with a little here, and with the light color or dirty color. The good combination, it's more interesting with the work with the different material and the mix with the dry material and the fresh material. Yeah, because we have different texture, and the different texture and the light color, we have a lot of, for me, emotion. So this one is finished. I hope we understand everything. See you next time in Boerma Institute. I hope. Angelica. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Want to see more pictures of works like these? Our Instagram is @Boerma Institute Flower School. Looking for materials to create your own beautiful flower arrangements? In our webshop, floraldesignsupplies.nl, you can find anything you may need. See you in the next video.